The affiliate commissions that you see here, $1,333.42 on the Warrior Plus platform, was earned in a very specific or a very targeted niche. And if you don't quite understand what a niche is, check this out. Go to Google affiliate marketing niche. What are the most profitable niches for affiliate marketing? You see here a list: hobby niches, money niches, health and fitness niches. Then you see very targeted niches. A niche being a problem or a topic that people are looking for solutions or answers to their questions. Photography, travel, sports betting, events tickets, casinos. Money niches, debt settlement, Bitcoin investing, health and fitness niches, weight loss, fitness, yoga, organic nutrition, vegan. 90 plus best niches for affiliate marketing 2021. You can see here a list with further detail: the tech niche, the health niche, digital marketing, internet marketing niche. For example, that is what 30-minute marketing is in. And that's why this channel exists and was created, to talk about marketing, specifically internet marketing. So how do you do this for free? You have a target audience out there. They're on YouTube, they're on Facebook, or what is collectively called the internet. You sign up for an affiliate program on an affiliate marketplace, you get your affiliate link, your target audience finds the content that you create on Facebook, on YouTube, you post your affiliate link, you build out a landing or a bridge page, you collect the email addresses of that target audience, and you start what is called email marketing. Then your target audience is forwarded over to an affiliate product sales page where you earn a commission. That is where you make money. I started this video showing you inside of Warrior Plus, showing you affiliate sales of $1,333.42 inside a very targeted specific niche that I use YouTube to generate this revenue. And you can see more detail about that in the cards in the right-hand corner, where I talk about how I generate revenue on Warrior Plus. But here's another example of an affiliate marketplace called ClickBank. You can simply go to clickbank.com, sign up for an account, go to the marketplace, go to find products, and simply just start searching. And you can see a list of products here. For example, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, BioFit, DentoFix. These are in the health fitness space, but there are tons of other products here in the marketplace under all these different categories, these categories being niches. The idea here is you pick a category, you pick a niche, you start creating content, and you solve problems for your target audience. Again, it comes back to this diagram: your target audience, real people with real problems looking for real solutions. You're creating content on YouTube, just like this content where I'm explaining how affiliate marketing works to you. You find my information on YouTube, you find my videos on YouTube, you find my information, you find my content on Facebook page, my profile, and a Facebook group. I provide you an affiliate link that helps solve your problem. For example, how to build a free landing page. You click on that affiliate link, you go to my landing page, you get on my email list, and you head over, and then you eventually wind up on affiliate product sales page and you purchase a product from me. But in the case of this video, doing this for free, can you really start affiliate marketing for free? That really means you need a landing and bridge page, and you need some place to collect emails, which is called an email autoresponder, which is provided by an email autoresponding service. And a great place to get and start building the pages is over at groove.cm. Link in the description. You can see here you can start for free, and you can get everything you need to include GrooveFunnels, GroovePages, to get started up and running to building your landing and bridge pages where you're going to collect email. And if you want to do that right now today with the best, or my number one recommendation for getting started with email marketing, is Aweber. You can see right here, you can get an Aweber account for free. There'll be videos in the cards, there'll be links in the descriptions that will link you out to these, as well as other videos I've done here on the channel explaining that in more detail. So can you start affiliate marketing for free? Yes, you can get your affiliate links for free. You can create content on YouTube and post it for free. You can create content on Facebook, a Facebook page, a Facebook group, your own profile, and you can put your affiliate links on both of these platforms, YouTube and Facebook. And then you can send people over to a landing page, which you can build for free using GrooveFunnels or Groove.cm, using GroovePages, and you can put those people, your target audience, the people you're trying to help with your content and with your affiliate products, your niche, real people with a real problem, and your products are going to help them. You can put them on an email list, and you can build that email list for free and get them over to an affiliate product sales page. Just like you see here on 30-Minute Marketing, I do product reviews. I talk about how to get done for you content. I talk about how to use Warrior Plus. I talk about how to use ClickBank. I talk about getting new funnel images for software using ClickFunnels. I talk about best ways to start side hustles, which my recommendation for a side hustle is affiliate marketing, which I'm talking to you more about here because the reality is you can get started for free. You can get a Groove.cm account that gives you all the tools you need. You can start for free. You can get Aweber, which gives you all the tools to build an email list and start following up with the contacts that you will generate when you follow this simple blueprint of creating content for your target audience on YouTube or Facebook, getting affiliate links for products, real products that you promote, that you support, that work, putting that information on a landing page, getting people to sign up for something that benefits them, put them on an email list, and then send them over to an affiliate product sales page. And I'm going to go even a step further, and I'm going to give you free training to get you started on affiliate marketing over at Taking Action Online. There's a link in the description. All you have to do is click it, and it is 100% for free. You can go here. You can get every step that you see here. Getting started, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, which is probably the most important about building your foundation, which is going to take you deeper than what I took you inside of this video because this is complete free affiliate marketing training, how to get up and running, all the way down to step 12, which is going to refer to taking things to the next level. That's when it does move into the premium training, which does cost money. But the first 12 steps that you see here are absolutely free, and it will teach you everything you need to know about getting started with affiliate marketing. But it simply starts with picking a niche, which is a group of people with a real problem. We'll call them your target audience that you see right here. You create content just like the video you're watching now here on YouTube. You create that same kind of content on Facebook, on your profile, in a Facebook page, in a Facebook group. You post your affiliate link to help your target audience solve their problem. You send them over to a landing and a bridge page. You give them more information, valuable information, which they'll exchange for an email address, sometimes called a lead magnet. And then you send them over to an affiliate product sales page and you earn a commission just like the commissions you see here. For this month, $1,333.42 that I generated on Warrior Plus from 100% free traffic to Warrior Plus offers in a specific niche that helps people with real problems solve those problems with the products that I promote on a YouTube channel, generated that revenue, link in the description, free training, all the free resources. If you have any questions about how this works, go ahead, ask for more information in the comments. I will get you all the details. My goal here is to let you know that yes, you can start affiliate marketing for free. You just have to be willing to put in the time, the work, and the effort. And it's really not that hard. And more than that, it is actually super simple. And if you'd like to know how simple it is, click on the video you see right now. Keep watching to understand how all this works and how you can really start for free. Click the video you see right now on the screen. Watch it. I'll see you there and I'll talk to you later. Bye.